Hello, this is Lalu, and welcome to my second channel. Yeah, that's right. This is my second channel. My main channel is called Lulol12345. Yeah, I just changed a bit of the numbers, and it did this. And letters, not only numbers. Alright, so my main channel will be in the description, and yeah, on this channel I will do challenges like try not to laugh, and reacting to videos, reacting to, I don't know. And on my main channel, I already did a Try Not to Laugh challenge, and I said that the next Try Not to Laugh challenge I would have lemon juice. Yeah, so I'm gonna fill it up a bit more each time I laugh, and yeah. But that's not today. You will need to stick on this channel. So when I will release a new video is actually each 2 weeks. So I release a video this week, next week I don't. After that, yes, after that, no. You understand? Yeah, and on my main channel, as most YouTubers do, they have a video each day, but me, it's each week, cause school and stuff. Yeah, so sorry if it's like gaming right now, but I didn't have anything to do to make this information. Whoa. Why did I go this fast? Okay, in that case, alright. So, I think I covered everything. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. I think that's my outro now.